So we just prayed Jumu'ah, mashallah, with the brothers and the sisters, and our sister is going to take Shahadah. Brother Subur is going to take her Shahadah, alhamdulillah. So we are very excited because we're going to have dawah trainings. People is embracing Islam, alhamdulillah. We're recording new Muslim stories, so alhamdulillah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Un minuto de su atención, por favor. Nuestra hermana Lisbeth va a tomar su Shahadah para acompañarla en pues, su primer día como musulmana. Nuestro hermano Subur va a ayudarle a decir la Shahadah en el idioma árabe.
Ashhadu
أشهد
an
أن
la
لا
ilaha
إله
il
إلا
Allah
الله
wa ashhadu
وأشهد
hadu anna
أن
Muhammadan
محمدا
Rasulullah.
رسول الله.
Brothers and sisters, I just wanted to say that this whole room is filled with pretty much mostly new Muslims. Mostly new Muslims. And this is what's happening here. Loads and loads of people are learning about Islam, loads and loads of people are converting to Islam, and it's the beauty of our faith. We need to regularly call people to Islam.
It's normal to have one or two shahadas every Jummah after khutbah. Sometimes even more than that. Weekly, sometimes we get 5, 10 shahadas weekly, alhamdulillah. So the community is growing.